So I'm not an expert on investments or crypto or NFTs or stock markets. I do share my views for the brainstorming purpose, for the purpose that we exchange information with each other and we take right steps. Today, I really want to discuss about cryptocurrencies. You must have seen things are going crazy. Every kid wants to invest in cryptocurrency. Everyone is talking about huge success stories around crypto. So I just want to give you a perspective, and I very keenly follow Manish Pabrai. People call him the next Warren Buffett as well, and he has been a very shrewd investor. And his views are as follows. So what he says is currently put together all the cryptos, almost $3 trillion worth of cryptocurrencies do exist as of today. And most of these currencies, you can see that they are being uh, coined almost every hour. A new cryptocurrency is being talked about and comes into picture. Every day there is a new currency which comes up and people start following, and it's everyone is trying to buy into it because of the craze, and because of that there are high uh, chances that they get appreciated in this kind of bubble situation. Now, why I am calling this as a bubble situation, let me give you examples. 1920s, auto companies. There was a huge hype on auto companies. Most of the stocks, most of the companies were getting a lot of excitement from investors because we were moving from horses or carts to automobiles. So any company which has got auto name was being chased by investors like hell. And then what happened? Almost 80 to 90% of these auto stocks vanished. And only few companies which had long term strategy, execution, and they were able to create assets, they were able to create IP. So those are the companies which survived. Everything went bust. Same thing happened in 1960s when semiconductors came, when cables came, when transistors came. So any stock, any company which had got onics, like electronics, any company with onics name was a huge craze. It was to an extent that people were thinking that anything which has got onyx, they must invest in it. And what happened? Again, the same crash happened, and most of these companies disappeared, barring a few. Now come to 2000, and we all know how dot-com bust happened. Most of the companies which had got dot-com name were getting investors frenzy like hell. Every company with dot-com name was being chased by investors. And you know what happened? Most of these dot-com companies, most of these internet companies went bust, and only few of them survived. But whosoever survived, they did very well. Now, what Pabrai and some other thinkers in the world, they are thinking that crypto is actually not backed by solid assets right now. So, so what is happening is because of FOMO, fear of missing out, everyone is trying to get into crypto, irrespective of does it hold value, how will it create value because it holds some sort of assets in the back. So all those things are not being even thought. Any cryptocurrency, everyone is trying to go after it, trying to buy it. So there are huge swings which are happening. So most of the successful investors who had seen these kind of bubbles in the past, so they feel there may be, and caution, I'm not saying I'm not an expert, I'm just sharing what I'm gathering. They feel that because of fear of missing out, everybody trying to get into crypto, governments trying to get into crypto now because of that. So everyone feels that he should not miss out in this wonderful opportunity. Nobody wants their neighbor to be more richer, to be richer than them. So because he's investing, because he's getting money appreciated there, so everyone wants to be there. So what I'm trying to say is, watch out, do your own research, and take safe bet. Look at the quantum. If you really want to take the bet, be restricted to a certain quantum don't go haywire. Don't put all your money into this. And what people think is few cryptocurrencies, they're going to change the world. They will definitely survive. Only few of them. So you need to catch the right nuggets. You need to stay safe, then invest. Thank you very much. Do share your thoughts on this, and I will look forward to get some valuable messages and thoughts from you so that we can cover it in the next interaction. Thank you.